same shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game lit, spitting with insane wit, and I'm gonna be famous. Ain't nobody able to delay this. Coming up, I had a vision to make it. Never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to play shit. Sit in class, always wondering why I love this lame shit. How the hell am I different if we all know the same shit? I ain't never let them doubt me, it's about me. Keep my head down, let my mouth speak. This around me, they all about the clout, see where the crowd be. Every time I speak loudly, they more about me. Man, you know I got a bounty on these lousy ass haters that surround me. So they doubt me, they don't know nothing about me. So their mouths free, I'ma change that soon. Better watch out now, see?
I just wanna be the greatest. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Man, I just wanna be famous.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit. Man, I give this shit hard, but it gives me back pain. I wanna be a spectacle, they skeptical. But man, I got that chemical, exceptional. I do it all intentional, professional. So I can make that decimal incredible. I'm not thinking, man, they're saying that I've gone insane. I'm not ever gonna make it cause the game has changed. I'm not good enough, man, no that's not okay. Tell me that shit again and I'll stop and pray.
I just wanna be the greatest. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Man, I just wanna be famous.
Now wake up, you got some shit to do. It's 6 a.m., I don't care, you got some shit to prove. Cause right now, you ain't got nothing that big to lose. So get your ass to work and don't you dare hit snooze. Can't stop this, I'm obnoxious. And I'm honest and novice with promise. Made monstrous, I'm conscious, but I'm nauseous. Think I've lost it, I've got it. Spitting all this, still I'm not it. I've got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm all in, balling on a budget. Man, I'm stalling, crawling, cause I'm nothing. But I'm all in, calling, I'll be something. Yeah, I'ma get it now, you can leave if you don't like it. Say it out loud, you believe it, you can bite this. Keep my head down and I keep on going timeless. Make it somehow, I believe it when I write this.
I just wanna be the greatest. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Man, I just wanna be famous.
Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game lit, spitting with insane wit, and I'm gonna be famous. Ain't nobody able to delay this. Coming up, I had a vision to make it. Never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to play shit. Sit in class, always wondering why I love this lame shit. How the hell am I different if we all know the same shit? I ain't never let them doubt me, it's about me. Keep my head down, let my mouth speak. This around me, they all about the clout, see where the crowd be. Every time I speak loudly, they more about me. Man, you know I got a bounty on these lousy ass haters that surround me. So they doubt me, they don't know nothing about me. So their mouths free, I'ma change that soon. Better watch out now, see?
I just wanna be the greatest. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Man, I just wanna be famous.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit. Man, I give this shit hard, but it gives me back pain. I wanna be a spectacle, they skeptical. But man, I got that chemical, exceptional. I do it all intentional, professional. So I can make that decimal incredible. I'm not thinking, man, they're saying that I've gone insane. I'm not ever gonna make it cause the game has changed. I'm not good enough, man, no that's not okay. Tell me that shit again and I'll stop and pray.
I just wanna be the greatest. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Man, I just wanna be famous.
Now wake up, you got some shit to do. It's 6 a.m., I don't care, you got some shit to prove. Cause right now, you ain't got nothing that big to lose. So get your ass to work and don't you dare hit snooze. Can't stop this, I'm obnoxious. And I'm honest and novice with promise. Made monstrous, I'm conscious, but I'm nauseous. Think I've lost it, I've got it. Spitting all this, still I'm not it, I've got when I write this.
I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list, spitting with the same wit, and I'm gonna be famous. Ain't nobody able to delay this. Coming up, I had a vision to make it. Never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to play shit. Sit in class, always wondering why I learn this lame shit. How the hell am I different if we all know the same shit? I ain't never let them doubt me, it's about me. Keep my head down, let my mouth speak. They surround me, they all about the clout. See, where the crowd be. Every time I speak loudly, they more about me. Man, you know I got a bounty on these lousy ass haters that surround me. Still they doubt me, they don't know nothing about me. Still their mouths free, I'ma change that soon. Better watch out now, see?
I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit. Man, I give this shit hard, but it gives me back pain. I wanna be a spectacle, they skeptical. But man, I got that chemical, exceptional. I do it all intentional, professional. So I can make that decimal incredible. I'm not thinking, man, they're saying that I've gone insane. I'm not ever gonna make it cause the game has changed. I'm not good enough, man, no that's not okay. Tell me that shit again and I'll stop your brain.
I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah.
Now wake up, you got some shit to do. It's 6 a.m., I don't care, you got some shit to prove. Cause right now, you ain't got nothing that big to lose. So get your ass to work and don't you dare hit snooze. Can't stop this, I'm obnoxious. And I'm honest and novice with promise. Made monstrous, I'm conscious, but I'm nauseous. Think I've lost it, I've got it. Spitting all this, still I'm not it. I've got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm all in, balling on a budget. Man, I'm stalling, crawling, cause I'm nothing. But I'm all in, calling, I'll be something. Yeah, I'ma get it now, you can leave if you don't like it. Say it out loud, you believe it, you can bite this. Keep my head down and I keep on going timeless. Make it somehow, I believe it when I write this.
I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list, spitting with the same wit, and I'm gonna be famous. Ain't nobody able to delay this. Coming up, I had a vision to make it. Never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to play shit. Sit in class, always wondering why I learn this lame shit. How the hell am I different if we all know the same shit? I ain't never let them doubt me, it's about me. Keep my head down, let my mouth speak. They surround me, they all about the clout. See, where the crowd be. Every time I speak loudly, they more about me. Man, you know I got a bounty on these lousy ass haters that surround me. Still they doubt me, they don't know nothing about me. Still their mouths free, I'ma change that soon. Better watch out now, see?
I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit. Man, I give this shit hard, but it gives me back pain. I wanna be a spectacle, they skeptical. But man, I got that chemical, exceptional. I do it all intentional, professional. So I can make that decimal incredible. I'm not thinking, man, they're saying that I've gone insane. I'm not ever gonna make it cause the game has changed. I'm not good enough, man, no that's not okay. Tell me that shit again and I'll stop your
I
brain.
just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous.
Now wake up, you got some shit to do. It's 6 a.m., I don't care, you got some shit to prove. Cause right now, you ain't got nothing that big to lose. So get your ass to work and don't you dare hit snooze. Can't stop this, I'm obnoxious, and I'm honest and novice. With promise, made monstrous, I'm conscious, but I'm nauseous. Think I've lost it, I've got it. Spitting all this, still I'm not it. I've got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm all in, ballin', on a budget. Man, I'm stalling, crawling, cause I'm nothing, but I'm all in, calling. I'll be something, yeah, I'ma get it now. You can leave if you don't like it. Say it out loud, you believe it, you can bite this. Keep my head down and I keep on going timeless. Make it somehow, I believe it when I write this.
I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. And I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list, spitting with insane wit. And I'm gonna be famous, ain't nobody able to delay this. Coming up, I had a vision to make it. Never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to play shit. Sit in class, always wondering why I love this lame shit. How the hell am I different if we all know the same shit? I ain't never let them doubt me, it's about me. Keep my head down, let my mouth speak. They surround me, they all about the clout, see where the crowd be. Every time I speak loudly, they more about me. Man, you know I got a bounty on these lousy ass haters that surround me. Still they doubt me, they don't know nothing about me. Still their mouth free, I'ma change that soon. Better watch out now, see?
I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. And I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit. Man, I give this shit hard, but it gives me back pain. I wanna be a spectacle, they skeptical. But man, I got the chemical, exceptional. I do it all intentional, professional. So I can make that decimal incredible. I'm not thinking, man, they're saying that I've gone insane. I'm not ever gonna make it cause the game has changed. I'm not good enough, man, no that's not okay. Tell me that shit again and I'll stop your brain.
I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah.
Now wake up, you got some shit to do. It's 6 a.m., I don't care, you got some shit to prove. Cause right now, you ain't got nothing that big to lose. So get your ass to work and don't you dare hit snooze. Can't stop this, I'm obnoxious, and I'm honest and novice. With promise, made monstrous, I'm conscious, but I'm nauseous. Think I've lost it, I've got it. Spitting all this, still I'm not it. I've got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm all in, ballin', on a budget. Man, I'm stalling, crawling, cause I'm nothing, but I'm all in, calling. I'll be something, yeah, I'ma get it now. You can leave if you don't like it. Say it out loud, you believe it, you can bite this. Keep my head down and I keep on going timeless. Make it somehow, I believe it when I write this.
I just wanna be the greatest.
All right, what is good, everybody? Today is Friday. We got about 20 minutes till the market opens. This has been a very good week. A very good week with the signals. Making money with US30, NAS100. Yep. So let's kick it off. US30, NAS100. Let's get a good move today. Thank you for everybody that's tuning in. As always, make sure you guys subscribe, like this video. As always, we get to 50 likes. What has everyone got playing this weekend? What you guys doing? you guys can catch me out on the Wave Runner. Man, I don't know. Do people call them Wave Runner or jet skis? Because when I tell people like, yo, I'm going the Wave Runner, they're like, what the hell's a Wave Runner? I'm like, it's, you know, you ride on the water. It's like, oh, you mean a jet ski? I'm like, yeah. I don't know. It's like people always get confused. Like, what's the difference? Brand, I guess. Hey, what's up, Clay? I think you messaged me on Instagram. So again, we are fully live here, trading US30, NAS100. We come pre-market, look for our setup, mark our highs, our lows, supply, demand zones, and then get ready to execute. So we will crush it today. We get about 20 minutes. He said 15-20 minutes till the market opens. So let's have a good solid day trading. What's the name of the background music? I don't fucking know. It just keeps changing. So we got multiple zones here. US30. Got NAS100. Yesterday, let's see. Yesterday US30 made some big fucking moves here. Big moves. Same thing with NAS100. This is basically gonna come together here. Is what's gonna happen. This NAS100. Now when I come and I trade, guys, I'm not looking right. There's people that look for like the whole move. Not me. I'm looking for a meat of the move. You know. So with trading, uh, you just go to the top right corner here and just hit layout setup. So I could do 3 if I wanted to. So should be watching gold, but gold made a fucking monster move yesterday. Look at that. What the fuck? 4,500 gold, 4,500 this year. I don't think it. That's pretty fucking high. Think it'll get past 4,500? Probably not. That's a long fucking way to go. Good God. Probably not. There's no fucking way. Yeah, I don't see it. Yeah, just like you said, not in not in 2 weeks. That's a pretty crazy run in 2 weeks. So see, NAS100 is basically pushing them nice here. We've got multiple consecutive candles here to the upside with NAS100. So I'm gonna watch this from a good sell-off standpoint, and then basically the same with US30. So I'm gonna actually look at both these for sells because it's Friday. You know, we've had a lot of news this week. So you know, it's been a very, very good week. So basically, kind of people are at the point where they're like, all right, well, going to the weekends, market needs to basically kind of like sell off here, reset. I mean, it's basically showing good signs of a sell off here. So again, we got now 10 minutes to the market opens. Why the fuck isn't this thing posting here? Not gonna lie, I got back in the crew. I was trading it, but then I got fight. Huh. So, fuck, this didn't upload. Well, whatever. Alright, let's go back here. Where are my charts? Man, see, NAS100 pushing up nice here. This is kind of what I want. This is exactly what I want. Remove 20. Man, I got 20 indicators in this thing. Nah, I don't want to remove all those. So again, we're looking for both of these to basically sell off here. We want to see nice little sells with these. US30, I'd like to see it break this zone. It'd be nice to see it flush down towards these lows right here. That would be really fucking nice. And then basically the same with NAS100. It's basically been like carrying these lows right here. So if we could basically flush down, I mean, 100, 200 point move could easily happen, no problem. Same thing with US30. So everything's basically grinding up really nice because everything's pushing up. Yeah, there's gonna be people that are gonna come and they're gonna look to buy this for like a breakout. They're gonna look to buy it and have it keep going up. And yeah, obviously could happen. Same thing with US30. People are gonna look to buy it. Oh, I want to buy it, break over this, and basically push back to the upside. People are gonna be like, oh, I want to buy it, and basically push back to the upside. Same thing with NAS100. Buy it, break over this high, just push. Can happen, 100%. Yeah, anything's fucking possible, dude. Anything's anything's possible, you know. But with trading, you know, you look for like the best, more the higher probable setups, right? Risk to reward. More than likely, what are my chances here? What do I anticipate? Right? Nobody knows. Nobody knows exactly 100% where these motherfuckers are gonna go. If they tell you they do, then they're just lying to you, you know. But nobody truly knows, like, if like NAS 100 and US30 could just pull back here, make our profit, all of a sudden just rips and runs to, you know, 26,000, 50,000. Nobody truly 100% knows. So you get in a trade, you take it, you know, based on, dude, why the fuck isn't this, showing my hotbar here? Um, yeah, I don't know why it's not showing my hotbar here. Whatever. No, just steal that one. Yeah, see, NAS100, the high, I actually wanted to push, I actually do wanted to push higher up. That's what I want. So, the higher it pushes, the better for me. So, I'm gonna get ready to start sending this signal here for the group. I don't want to be too close to my entry. I'm gonna give it another minute before I send these signals out to the group, because it's still kind of playing around here. Still kind of playing around here. US30's pulling back here, motherfucker. Ugh. It's not what I wanted to fucking see right now. 68, 58. Alright, I'm gonna put the US30 signal out there. Alright, so got the US30 signal out there in the group. Let's see, let's cook here. Fat one, boom, 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 boom. So we got US30, and then let's get our areas of take profit. So we're watching 48, 943. How the fuck did I get that? 47, 943. I can't even talk right now. 47, 943. And again, I do all my trading from my phone. So US30 is already pulling back here, and so is NAS. So I'm gonna be fucking pissed if I don't catch these in time. 47, 928, and then 47, 47, 913. Alright, so we have our area. Why the fuck isn't this loading up on my phone? I'll have to mess around with this thing later on. Why it's not showing my where's my... Nope, that's not what I want either. Oh, I'm actually already in US30. Look at that. Let's get this thing to keep pulling back here. Where the fuck is that? Oh, well, whatever. So yeah, we want to see US30 keep dropping off here. Followed by NAS100. NAS100. We're going to put that signal, because again, we don't want to be too close, so sometimes these fuckers will fill us. So selling NAS100. Boom, boom, boom. Ah, fucking US30 is trying to push up. $25.98. 25.098. So we got about a minute to the market opens here. 25.68. Then again, the market. At the end of the day, she's gonna do what she wants. All you can do is, you know, protect your capital, take what the market gives you, you know, move on, and nail and bail. You know. Fucking US30 squeezing, bro. See what NAS100 does, because US30 is breaking over these highs here. So if US30 is pushed up, we should get the NAS100 drop now. Let's see what we get here. Both these are fucking trying to run. NAS100 testing this resistance. Let's see what happens with US30. NAS100 pulling back here. They're both running. Both these fuckers are running today. Look at that. For a Friday? Oof. That's disgusting. For a fucking Friday, for both of these to be running? Give some more time here with NAS. Hopefully we get this NAS drop. I am going to probably adjust my signal alert. Oh wow, both these, that's crazy. Did not see that one coming. US30 just running here, broke over these highs, pushing up to 158. NAS100 basically doing the same. Good God. We'll let it run out of fuel, and then catch the backside here. Because right now this is their front side move, so especially NAS100, eventually it's going to run out of fuel here. I'll try and top tick. I'm going to try and top tick US30. I'm going to try and top tick US30. over this previous resistance right here. Let's see if I can get the US30. Because it ran so much, I'm trying to top ticket to get pulled back here. I want to see a big flush down to the downside. See if we can get a pullback here. I'm hoping to get a pullback, a nice pullback here on the US30. Because we just had this big squeeze. So I'm hoping we get a little pullback here. NAS100 just run. Holy shit, man. So I am in US30 right now. So I'm in US30 right now. To US30. Let's see if this one can pull back here. Basically top ticked it here. I'm not gonna let this trade go against me, so I need to protect my account here. Yeah, she's still fucking running. Might be a red day for me. Yeesh. Might be a red day for me. NAS100. Man, I can't believe both these broke over these highs that just took off running. NAS100. Yeah, these just took off running. Good God. They said I did not expect that for Friday. No fucking way. But that's a market for you. They said once he runs out of fume, they're gonna come down hard. They're gonna come raining down. Man, we're only at 34 likes. That's depressing. We need more likes than that. Like I said, I do these for you guys, not because I'm bored. If people think I'm bored. Like I said, I do these lives to help you guys out. So, US30's pulling back here. NAS100's pulling back. That's what we want to see. We want to see these bitches keep pulling back here. NAS100 pulling back hard here. See if US30 can get this, finally get this fucking drop down here. She ran over 100 points. Man, I don't know if we got all these people just randomly spamming the Discord. What the fuck? Somebody said great step forward card funding. I don't know what the fuck this person said. I feel like we just had a bunch of people join the Discord. I don't know where. See, fucking NAS100 is pulling back here. I might look at NAS100. US30 is pissing me off here. I'm gonna revise my signal on NAS100. the group. Because both of these just took off running hardcore. So because they ran up, oh, I missed that entry. Because they took off running hardcore. We do want to see these basically pull back here. US30 is pulling back hard here. See, these are going to start pulling back hard here because the selling pressure is done. So let's see if US30 can get this red candle here with US30. I want to see these. We're basically a few minutes away from closing the 15-minute candle here. So I want to see these one keep dropping off hard here. They have been playing games with us all morning, so. US30 is my main watch. Because again, we should be getting a nice, strong red candle to the downside. Is what we should be getting here. Keeps toying with their fucking entry here. NAS100 pulled back and then just fucking ripped. NAS100 is off the table. My main focus right now is just US30. I'm done fucking with NAS. Sometimes NAS100 is just a good trade. US30 is my main one right now. So I'm in US30 right now. My take profit 1 is hit. So take profit 1 is hit on US30. She's pushing all the way back. I might have to jump out here with US30. He's just playing too many fucking games. Yeah, I'm out for break even now again. US30. It's just hard to keep. I keep trying to catch US30, man. It just keeps fucking stopping me out for like break even or small profit. I'm like having to like scalp it here. Back in US30 again. I just keep jumping in and then jumping out, jumping in, jumping out. So here we are back in US30. Take profit 1 hit again. Let's see if we can get finally take profit 2 and take profit 3. Okay, so take profit 2's almost hit with US30. I'm switching this to the fucking 5-minute chart. Set that back to break even. Yeah, see, out again. Gonna try and jump back in again. It's struggling to flush here. Once it could flush, it's struggling at this 48,125 area. She wants to sell off. There's no two ways around it. What did what's NAS100 doing here? NAS100 is still ripping here. So I'm done watching NAS100. This one should be pulling back. It's US30 is actually making an attempt to pull back here. Hey, we got up to 50 likes. That's pretty nice. Thanks for the likes. US30 might be finally running out of fuel here. She's definitely looking more and more weak. Again, it's these fucking lows right here we need to crack. We can crack these lows right here. And then flush down towards this next low right here. We should see some pretty good action here. Struggling. We need to basically come down to flush. Come on, baby. Again, she's looking weak. It's Friday. People are gonna start selling. People are gonna start selling off here. Take profit. It is being a bitch. It's like we've been fighting this one all morning. It's getting to the point I'm like, I'm just gonna lick my wounds and call it a day. It is a very weird Friday. A very, very weird Friday. So I'll switch like the 1 minute chart. So I traded the 15-minute chart, but I'll switch to the 1 minute chart when it starts giving me like mixed signals to kind of see in smaller price action like what the fuck's going on here. Oh my god, NAS100 took off fucking running hard. If US30 breaks this fucking high, I am basically done. I'm done on the day. There's absolutely no fucking way and reason this shit should be running. On a Friday? No way. For a great markup, hold control, click the object. I'm trying to place on this chart. Blah 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 blah. Oh, I don't know what the fuck that means, but whatever. US3 just peaked at these highs. Again, let's see if she comes down. Try and get something here with this shit. We got a double top here with US30. So we finally break these fucking lows. I think we peaked out at like 70 people so far. At 949 is gonna drop. She's dropping right now. Let's see if she just keeps dropping here. Again, it keeps testing these lows here. If buyers regain controls. Eventually, like I said, we should be dropping here. Let's go back to the double charts here. NAS100 is still running here. Oh, like you said, NAS100 let us down today. So now we're just watching US30. Go back to the single chart. Okay, if we could break these lows, This is a strong area right here. This is a strong area right here. So if we could break that. Let me clear some of this shit on the chart, dude. It's starting to look like gibberish. Still got some red candles coming in here. I got you, Raymond. Raymond Diaz. 831. Holy crap. The US30's coming in here. Come on, baby. We want to crack these lows. Nice little flush down. Be fucking perfect. Let's see if we can crack these lows right here. Crack this here at 48, like 116. I'm back in US30. I want to see this one keep dropping down here. Come on, baby. Let's keep going. Don't do me dirty. That's why we call our US30 Dirty 30. He will do you dirty every time. US30 is basically that like X that you keep running back to that like beats on you and gives you like STDs. That's what US30 is. That's what we call her US30 Dirty 30. She's literally that X. Or it could be a guy. I mean, guys got STDs too and beat on you. Is my boy Davey still here? Is he still listening? Because I gotta jump on a call with him after this. See if US30 keeps coming down here. 47, 865. He just messaged me. Let's see if we get this next. Let's see if we crack this next low right here. Let's see if she keeps. We want to see her keep dropping down. She's gonna have a little push up. That's fine, a little push up, but then we want to see a little retrace. Do you guys even like these live streams, or am I just like wasting my fucking time? What's NAS100 doing? I think this one's running out of fuel finally. See and hear your insights. I like the streams. US30 just shot all the way back up. kind of tempted to switch to NAS100. NAS100 I feel like could be peaking out here finally. I feel like NAS100 might be peaking out here. Switch back to the double chart. Yeah, I feel like NAS100 might be peaking out. NAS100 pulling back here. I'm tempted to jump in NAS100. Tempted to jump in NAS100 right here at these highs. I mean, it is looking kind of weak. US30 just keeps sticking with us. I am going to jump in NAS100 here. Very risky trade. Very, very risky trade. I am jumping in NAS100 here. I want to see a pullback. Because again, see fucking US3 is pulling back up now. Pulling back down. But NAS100, I am jumping in this one. It is kind of, like I said, it is risky. So I'm telling the group it is risky. And like I said, it'll probably be my last fucking attempt at this market today. But it is definitely it is definitely a very, 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 very weird fucking Friday. Typically we don't see Fridays like this. This is a hard one. So US30's pulling back down. 25,253 is my ultimate target with NAS100 here. So NAS100, we're hitting take profit 1 right now. US30's coming back down. This market's been dicking with us all morning, dude. It has been a hard morning, so obviously people shouldn't beat themselves up. This shit's trying to stop us out again, bro. NAS100 ran 200 fucking points. Are you kidding me? She's trying to test. Look at this. It's forming a doji candle. NAS100. Let's switch to the 1 minute chart with NAS100. Kind of bring that a little bit closer. Zoom in on it. Okay, we want to see NAS100 basically pull back here. Now it's basically these lows right here. and crack this, get a nice little flush to the downside, and basically come towards this zone right here. Definitely, dude, this is a hard day today, so do not beat yourself up. US30 been playing games all fucking morning. Look at this consolidation here. That's ridiculous. NAS100, it's definitely looking more weak, but we just need this selling pressure to come in here. I want to see it come. Here we go. Let's see if we can get this red candle here to drop down towards these lows. I want to see it flush way below 25 280-ish. These candles aren't very big, so again, we should be getting the selling pressure coming in here. Definitely don't want to see this one break the fucking highs. If we break the highs, like I said, I'm really done then. US30 is pushing back up. US30 is going to break the highs. Usually you want to see them do the opposite. If US30 is pushing up, you know, you want to see NAS100 sell off. NAS100 is pushing up. You want to see US30 sell off here. Again, NAS100, if NAS100 basically breaks these highs, I gotta turn off these fucking notifications. This is kind of shit's getting annoying here. Apps, fucking Instagram, dude, just keeps giving me notifications. Alright, dude, NAS100 just broke the fucking highs. I'm done today. I am done. So what a shit day. Notifications, turn off. I do not want these Instagram notifications anymore. I think she just stuffed everybody out. I think they just stuffed everybody out of NAS100. It happens, big dog. Dude, that's part of trading, man. I don't stress nothing, dude. This shit ain't life or death. Dude, I'm perfectly happy going to McDonald's and eating off the dollar menu. Probably not good for my triglycerides, but somebody asked me on Instagram about like trading. You ever get bored with it? Dude, trading doesn't make or break me. I don't give two fucks about it. I really, really don't. So I'm perfectly fine going to do landscaping for the rest of my life. I don't give a shit. I've reached all the goals I've wanted to in life. I've done what I wanted to do, so I really don't give a shit anymore. Like I said, I don't really have a relationship with trading anymore. Some people are married to this shit. I don't really give two shits about it. It's not that it's boring. It's just that it's not that it's boring. I just really just don't. Like I said, it's not. I don't know. It's hard to explain. I mean, I like it, but I don't like let it control me or define me. It's just a tool, man. I just seriously treat trading as a tool. Like some people have like attachments to things. Like there's people that have cars or like the people that have been living in their houses for like 30, 40 years. Like I will not sell my house. This is my house. My house has feelings. My house has memories. My house it's just a fucking house. It's just a box. Literally, it's just a box. So, but it's true, you know, like I said. So, me, I don't have, like I said, I don't have attachments to things. So I just, like I said, you can't, you know. What's that fucking get rich or get die trying, you know? That he says, you know, show no love, love will get you killed. Basically the same thing, you know. Picked a bad day to quit heroin. It's a bad drug, man. Yeah, NAS100 basically stuffed us out. Just pulling back hard here now. Curtis Jackson. Does it show me the stream health? So it says 58 likes. How many people are viewing this right now? Can you guys see how many people are viewing this? Analytics. It says views. Chat rate is 4. Views. Total number of times the stream was viewed while it was live. 240 views. Duration. View average duration 15 minutes. So 48 people are watching this right now. It's 50. Let's see what else it tells me. Chat rate. 8 views. 240. I don't know how that number dictates. Weird. Huh. Stream health. Super weird. NAS100. Dude, I'm gonna shit my pants if this thing finally cracks these lows here. $25,280. This has been like the sweet spot all day. Did any of you guys have to subscribe to the channel to chat? Live view, chat, timestamps, reactions, pop out chat, moderation activity, participants. Oh, here we go. Top fans. Clay Slay. It's kind of cool. NAS100, man. Again, maybe wanting to see it break this area of 25,280. Let's see if you'll see if NAS100 finally comes down to this. I feel like everything's kind of maybe looking weak finally now. Usually happens after like 30 minutes. Dude, NAS100 is coming down here towards this 25,280 level. Let's see if she finally fucking does it. She's pushing up a little bit. Ice Cube 1212. She keeps testing. We need to basically crack these little. Oh, let me pull this right here. She needs to basically crack these little right here. This 25,292, and then we'll finally should be able to break this 25,280 level. Here's basically come down. Like I said, I have a strong feeling once she breaks this. I want to change this color actually. Let's go dotted line. I feel like once she cracks this area of 25,280, I don't know why, I just feel like she should flush hard then. Like I said, I feel like once she cracks this area of 25,280, we should have a strong flush down to like it should drop pretty hard because it has been a key target area. Minutes in, time for the normal Friday to show up. Yeah, you know that's important. That's funny that you mentioned that because some people will then switch up their game and they'll come and then start trying to trade Fridays differently just because you get like a Friday that like acts a certain way. They'll try and like mix up and do things differently, and you don't want to do that. Yeah, Gates. If you guys click my link, if you guys use my link, you actually get a deposit bonus. So I'm trying to work with them to give you a bonus for depositing with a credit card, debit card. So that should come soon. Announcements. So everybody voted for Sunday. Sunday for the webinar classes? Because Sunday, okay, so because we're going to be doing webinars in the Discord. So it looks like everyone voted for Sunday for webinar classes. fuck? NAS100 finally testing this 25-280 area. Let's see if we get it. Let's see if we get more of a move here. Look, dude, she's still testing this area of 2580. What a piece of shit, dude. She's still testing that area. Look at that. $25,280. She just won't crack. She just won't fucking break it, will she? I think, well, like you said, once we do break it, man, it should flush pretty hard here. Let's see, will it do it right now? Let's see if this fucking candle actually cracks and drops down. It's like, come on, it's like you're trying to blow like, whew, whew. US30 still kind of doing its thing. US30 did us dirty today. Yeah, NAS100, man, it's like right there, dude. 25,280. She needs to crack. Once she cracks 25,280, we should have a nice little drop to this downside here. Again, once we crack this, we should have a nice little drop down. Here we go. Come on. Now it's this next fucking area right here. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Oh my god, I've been waiting with this thing like all fucking morning. Oh, see, they're just soaking it back up, dude. There's buyers here just soaking it back up. Look at that. Oh my god. It's a tug of war battle. They are trying to fake everybody out left and right. Meantime, US30 is pushing back up. Let me look at US30 in the 15-minute chart. Oh my god. Clear some of this shit out of here. I don't need this no more since my pre-market analysis is done. If you asked me that I think US30 was going to run today 200 points to the upside, no, not at all, dude. Not at all. That's kind of a crazy move for Friday. Yeah, we didn't expect that one. And then there's NAS100 trying to fake people out. Look at this candle. Look at this candle wick from all the buyers soaked in. Now all the sellers are stepping in. Look at these two candles right here. Next candle opening. See, this one finally. It just won't crack this area. It cracked, but then instantly retraced. But again, it needs to just seriously just crack and then just flush down. Never seen action like this on a Friday in a long time. Come on, let's get this fucking sell-off downside here. Enough's enough with this shit. It's been running all fucking morning. Now at this point, it's basically been consolidating at this point. When you think about it, I mean, basically look at this, boom, 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 boom. So I mean, we are having lowers here, so hopefully we can get this crack here. As I said, it's like this area right here we've been struggling with. This area right here. So yeah, if we can crack this area, I'd like to see it basically just, in a perfect world, I'd love to see it just kind of like flush straight down, just kind of like come down. But even if it starts like working its way down, I'm fine with that too. Alright, I'm gonna jump off here because I have to jump on a call. So definitely don't, you know, these streams I like to keep them. How long has it been going for? Hour 22. I think it's been that long. Oh, look at this. 25,280. It just won't fucking break. It is struggling. It is definitely struggling at this area. Well, I'll keep watching it, but I gotta jump on a call with one of my guys here, so thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll catch you next week.